Hi, I'm Samantha Hoyt. I'm the Fusion Marketing Manager, and I'm going to take you on a little tour of the all-new Ford Fusion. We're going to start up front, and what you'll see is this is the all-new face of Ford, complete with a new hexagonal grille that's set up high, and every Ford Fusion will get this chrome grille. You'll also see that the Ford oval is recessed into the sheet metal, similar to what our luxury competitors do. But as we move around to the side, you'll see we have these beautiful laser cut headlamps that give the car a real face. But again, this is the all-new face of Ford. And what you'll see as we move around the side of the vehicle, that everything is here for a reason. The character lines continue throughout the car, and they're there for design, but also for aerodynamics. But it leads you right to this beautiful mirror that's mounted on the door instead of on the window. And what this does is not only does it give a beautiful jewelry to the car, it also opens up this window right here to allow more light into the cabin. This is a sleek silhouette. The Ford Fusion was designed to look like a two-door coupe, but look like a single piece of sheet metal. So it looks like a coupe, but you get the functionality of a four-door. Then as you move around to the back, a key feature here is that this car looks good coming and going. So we have these beautiful LED tail lamps that have a specific design, specific to Fusion, but we also have a great flush back end. Instead of having the little bump out where you would normally have a bumper, your trunk would meet the top of the bumper and then you have 4 inches of bumper and then it would go down. We actually have a flush back end, so it's a very sleek look. But it also is easier to keep clean, and it gets you a very low lift-over height, so you can easily put luggage into your trunk, and there's 16 cubic feet of trunk space right here inside. The best part about the all-new Ford Fusion is the power of choice that it offers to our customers, and that's all right here under the hood. We have 5 powertrains. We have a 2.5-liter engine, which is for the value conscious. We have a 1.6-liter EcoBoost that gets 26 miles per gallon in the city and 37 on the highway. Then for people who want a little bit more performance oriented, we have a 2-liter EcoBoost engine available. But not to be outdone, we have an all-new Ford Fusion Hybrid that'll get 47 miles per gallon in the city, 44 on the highway for a 46 combined. It'll be best in class. But even better yet, a little bit later in the model year, we'll have an all-new Fusion Energy that actually is a plug-in hybrid, so you get the best of both worlds. You can plug in and drive it on electric power, or you can drive it on the hybrid power just like you would a regular Fusion hybrid. And it gets phenomenal fuel economy as well. When you're driving in electric mode, it's 100 mpge, 100 mile per gallon equivalent. We also have a brand new technology that's coming on the 1.6-liter EcoBoost engine as an option, and that's called Auto Start Stop. What it does is when you're sitting in traffic, a stoplight, a stop sign, or at a drive-through, the car will actually turn itself off, turn the engine off, and as soon as you take your foot off the brake and before you can even get it to the accelerator pedal, the car immediately restarts itself. That's just a little information about the all-new Ford Fusion, and if you're looking for more, please visit Ford.com.